A drum kit, also called a drum set, trap set, or just drums, is a collection of drums and other percussion instruments. Before you set out on the task of purchasing a drum set, you first need to understand the anatomy of a drum set. Once you fully understand what each component does and its purpose, choosing the best drum kit will be a breeze. Selecting the perfect drum kit for you can be a complicated process because there are so many different factors to consider. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Let's begin our list with the Gretsch CM1-E605. Its mounting hardware includes round gas cap, bass drum mount plate, ultra-low profile GTS mounting system, reduced mass tom mount brackets, and new single and double tom holders. Also, the shell is a 7-ply Gretsch Formula maple shell with 30-degree bearing edges and natural shell interiors. Gretsch T-wing screws and bolts are included on all fittings for drummer-friendly feel. It uses rubber isolators on the die-cast bass drum claws to help keep bass drum hoops looking new. The bass drum supports maple bass drum hoops, while the toms and the snare drum use 2.3mm triple flanged hoops. All drums are fitted with Remo drum heads, including coated batters, and clear resonant on tom/snare, and clear bass drum batter heads with muffle ring. The 12.7mm ball/socket L arms provide positioning freedom and a secure hold for stability. On the other hand, both the tom holders include a post hole for a 7/8-inch cymbal tube post. Next up on the list we have Yamaha SBP2F5. This drum kit includes a 22x17-inch bass drum, a 16x15-inch floor tom, a 12x8-inch low tom, a 10x7-inch high tom, a 14x5.5-inch snare drum, and a triple mount tom holder. The shells are designed with a 6-ply 1.5mm thickness that adds tonal depth, quick response, and a carefully crafted amount of sustain. It adopts die-cast claw hooks with rubber insertion plates to reduce noises. With its 6-ply structure, it accurately conveys the vibrations produced at the impact surface. Also, it offers a large ultra-hard resin ball that sits in a chromed housing, held in place with a titanium ergonomic wing bolt. Additionally, it permits tuning of the bottom head by simply rotating the drum. The Yamaha CL72S offers an optimal sound experience, and the snare drum is provided with 6 layers of maple measuring 5mm thick, and the bass drum is 7mm thick, consisting of 8 layers. Its rack toms are fitted with a star cast mounting system, which offers total tom isolation and unhindered shell resonance, without the adverse effect on tuning or complicated head changes found in less advanced suspension designs. Also, it has die-cast hoops, which not only make adjustment easier and more consistent, they also provide crisp attack, clear and resonant highs, and much more powerful rim shots. It features upgraded cymbal stands that let you adjust the angle freely and hold it in position by the friction of 6 metal disc plates instead of gears. Moreover, it uses claw hooks to stabilize the wood hops on the bass drums, and features built-in rubber lining, which helps protect the wood and maintain tuning even during long performances. Up next on the list we have Gretsch New Renown Maple. This drum set uses the proven and unique Renown formula that combines North American rock maple with a slightly softer maple species. Each drum is expertly completed with smooth 30-degree bearing edges and Gretsch's exclusive silver sealer interior finish. The heavy-duty Gretsch die-cast hoops are fitted to all tom and snare shells, and classic Gretsch lugs adorn each drum. Also, this Gretsch-engineered shell/hoop combination produces explosive attack and power that is rich with warm, low-end timbre. Moreover, the bass drum sports maple bass drum hoops, while the toms and the snare drum use 2.3mm triple-flanged hoops. The products and links to buy them can be found in the video description below. The DW Design Series packs with 2 rack toms, 1 floor tom, 1 snare drum, and 1 kick drum. Its maple shell enhances snap and attack for a punchy sound. The true pitch tuning rods let you fine-tune your kit's sound. It uses 8-ply tom and kick shells, which were built with the latest construction technique. Also, it comes with chromed hardware as standard, STM suspended tom mounts, and the rather cute DW mini lugs. Fundamentally accurately sized toms, drum sizing, and suspension tom mount system will ensure these drums can resonantly sing as they're intended. Each drum is finished in one of 3 durable lacquer colors and fitted with DW heads by Remo. On the other hand, it's made with vertical low timber grain orientation, with an outer horizontal ply to offer more depth, body, and tuning range than the competition. Holding the first place among the list of best drum kits we have, Pearl RS-BP2F5 It includes a chain drive bass drum pedal and geared locking stands. Also, all positions are dual reinforced, height and angle adjustable, and feature double braced legs to withstand the pounding onslaught of the heavy-hitting drummer. It captures everything from the loudest accents to the softest ghost notes. Moreover, it features an extended tension/tuning range for low, chest-thumping bass frequencies, and includes locking, slip-free feet, and secure mounting for toms and accessories. It provides a 16-inch brass crash ride and a set of 14-inch brass hybrid hats. On the other hand, all stands of this drum kit are dual reinforced, height and angle adjustable, and feature double braced legs to withstand the pounding onslaught of the heavy-hitting drummer. I hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.